Gate valves in ponds in conjunction with the standpipe. It's a great way to lower ponds fast. There's a gate valve at the bottom of the pipe that you can lift, flush leaves out. You can lower before a hard rain, before a large 10-year, 30-year storm. Lowering that pond will just help as the material flushes into it. Also, it will be good to get some plantings around the side. We always like to encourage aquatic plantings in the ponds, in and around edges. It's important to be a little careful with which ones you choose and more native, and paying a little bit of attention to what you're going to put in the ponds. We can just quickly lower that 12 inches, get our plantings done, close the valve, and it'll fill very quickly. Standpipes also tend to accumulate a lot of material around them. So as that happens, you can sort of stir them up, pull the valve, flush everything into that. Just to give you a comparison, a residential toilet is a 3-inch pipe. This is an 8-inch. So when you pull this, it's the crazy flush pulling action that happens around this area, sucks everything out of here. Move it out of the pond over to an area where you can collect it, and then close the valve, let it refill back up. Great for maintenance. Just a very easy way to maintenance your pond. If you have a farm pond, a drainage need, concern, please call, reach out to Turpin.